Hello guys, let's start. I'm going to design this part in Catia software. Here you can see the solid modeling of this part, and this is 2D sketch of this part. So let's start designing this Catia. As usual, go to the open the Catia software first of all, and then you can go to the start, mechanical design, and give whatever name you want to do in this. Select OK. First of all, hide this all planes and come in geometrical shape. Go to the point command, select point as origin, insert axis system on this point, and let's start to design this part. I think we have to design in this ZY plane. Select ZY plane and select this project point parallel to this line. It's okay. And you can see dimensions of this is first of all we will design radius 60, circle with radius 60, outer circle with radius I think 25. Make one circle here with radius 25 and same on other side. So click on this and select mirror command, select this axis. So value of this is also same. Center to center distance from this circle is 200. So from this also 100. And go to tangent command. Here you can see at the line command. You can see bilateral tangent. Select this circle and this circle. Double click to this command to use again. This circle, this circle. So by using this bi-tangent line command, we can create this 4 line. Go to again in operation tab. You can select this quick trim. Double click to this quick trim and select this unnecessarily commands. So our outer body is ready. So exit the workbench. First of all, come this part design. So make default to this part, define to this part body, and use command pad command. Select this rough sketch. Give value as 50 length. Now we have to make holes in this. Hole centimeter is 75 and 30. Let's start to make to this hole. First of all, go to sketch position, select this, and just all necessary actions. Center circle. With value of 75 diameter, not radius. You can say 75 dia and 30 dia of another circle. So make mirror of the circle in another direction and from center to center distance of this is 200. Yes, and this one is now, and exit this work page, and now select pocket command so we can make this whole, make it mirror direction from both sides. Okay, so our part is ready.